This guide covers two primary methods to install pip on Windows and how to keep it updated. Important note: you need to have Python already installed. In both methods, before installing pip on Windows, check if the system already has it. Launch the command prompt as administrator and type the following command: pip-version. If pip is installed, the output displays the installed version. If not, proceed with one of the methods. Method 1 uses the ensurepip module. Type the command python-m ensurepip-upgrade. After the pip installation completes, verify it with pip-version. If the command isn't recognized, try using pip3 instead, or check whether pip is already in your system's path with this command: where pip3. If the command cannot find the path, you need to add pip to path manually. First, locate the pip installation directory, which is, by default, in the scripts subdirectory of your Python installation. Then, open the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and press Enter. After that, click the Environment Variables button and double-click the path variable to edit it. Select New and add the directory where pip is installed, which you located and noted earlier. Don't forget to save the changes. To install pip on Windows with Method 2, download the get-pip.py script using curl and run the following Python command: python get-pip.py. The rest of the installation process is the same as in Method 1. Use pip-version for check and verification. Follow with pip3 or where pip3 if the verification command fails, and add pip to path if necessary. To upgrade pip on Windows, in both methods, simply type python-m pip install -- upgrade pip. Now you're ready to manage Python packages effectively.